Hi folks, welcome to another Banba short and snappy. Right now I'm going to give you a very quick overview of our click and collect functionality. On the left hand side here, I have my iPhone. On the right hand side here, the larger window, you can see a view of what you would see on your premises. This is where your orders, your customer orders come in, and you can run this on an iPad or a Google tablet, whatever it is that you have on the premises already. So I'm going to launch the Banba app, and I am going to go into the Thomann bar, which is our demo bar. I'm going to scroll across the top here, and I am going to order myself something under pizza and wings. I'm going to choose a buffalo wings here. I'm going to select one of those. I'm going to go straight to the checkout. I'm going to click on continue. You can add a note in here for your order. So you might say, I'd like it extra spicy, please. Extra spicy. And you add in your phone number, which is a required field. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's the phone number in. You can also set your collection time. So its default setting is for as soon as possible. But if, let's say, you can't collect it for an hour, you can go into this, select a particular time. I'm going to say, okay, I'm going to collect it at 6:30 p.m. Click on confirm. And then I'm going to go down here and I'm going to pay. So I click on pay. When I click on pay, it brings me into the pay section. I'm going to use Apple Pay, which is a simple click and then it recognizes my fingerprint, which is fantastic. So I'm going to select that right away. I'm going to hide this here so none of my details are displaying. And once the payment has gone through, it'll pop up on the screen. There we have it. Perfect. So I can see, I'll come back and show you the app there as well now. So I can see there's my order. There's my extra spicy requirement. I'm going to collect it at 6:30. I have my phone number there just in case, they need to contact me for any reason. I'm going to go back over here now and just show you this really cool function on the device itself where I can track my order as it's happening in real time. So there's my order, and let's say I might be in the car sitting outside, or maybe when the bars open up, I could be sitting at the bar finishing my drink and waiting for my order to be ready so I can run in next door and pick it up. So back on the premises, back in the takeaway, they click on start. And when they click on start, I can see straight away that my order is being prepared. I'm pretty excited about this. I'm very, very hungry, but this is great. My order is being prepared. I know I don't have to wait much longer. I'll go back into the staff app here again. And when it's ready, you click it again. And once again, back on the consumer app, back in my phone, I can see my order is ready. So now I get up, I finish my drink, I go back inside or head over to the takeaway, and I pick my order up at the counter. And then all the staff need to do is just click on delivered. Once I've selected delivered over again on my phone, you can see that the order is completed. So really easy to use, great functionality in terms of keeping your customer informed as to exactly when their order is coming. We all like to know where our stuff is when we've ordered it. And, all the cash transaction is completely sorted over the phone. All I have to do is go into the premises, pick my delivery up, and leave again straight away. No queuing, no waiting around. Dead simple. Super functionality again from the Banba app.